Welcome back to the Hotshot Haven. Hey man, let's say you got a squealing noise when you hit your exhaust brake. When you put it a load and you're making 30 pounds of boost, that thing screaming away from under the hood harder than it is out the pipe. What that might be? What could that be? Exhaust manifold gaskets. Here I'm going to show you how to save about $900, man. Okay, first and foremost, when you take your breather out, man, you want to protect your turbo, so we did that. Next of all, man, you want to get all of the top parts of the engine off and open where you can see them and start eliminating parts. We're not going to get into all the aspects of these particular bolts, but I took a picture of some bolts in some places and things that people have trouble. But if you have nice slim fit wrenches, angle heads, and ratcheting heads, man, it'll be real easy on you. But one of the things I wanted to tell you all to help you save some money and some effort while doing this is that in the process of putting exhaust manifold bolts on a Cummins, the best way to do this without disturbing any of the oil drain back lines, any of the feed lines for the coolant or the oil, is to support the exhaust system with a jack first and foremost. Then proceed to back off all of the exhaust bolts about a ½ inch, which will give you clearance in between the manifold and the head. At that point, one by one, you will start to take out the bolts and take out the exhaust manifold gaskets. There's no need to clean this surface. This surface has been burned, so there's no need to clean this. The gaskets crush fit, so once you put them on there, any irregularities that may be there will be nullified. Okay, but as you can see in the picture, man, I'm gonna put up a video. You do not have to remove the complete exhaust manifold like the dealership will have you think you do. I've done this on 5.9s, I've done this on 6.7s, and it works like this every time. And here's a video just to show you how you get that exhaust gasket in there, man. It's really not hard. It's a no-brainer, but it's something that'll help you along the way. Hopefully this will save you about $1,000. Let it fall, and then put your bolt back through. You do not have to remove, I repeat, you do not have to remove that whole exhaust manifold to get this done. You just gotta be able to get to it. You gotta be able to get to it. Do not tighten them all